Morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So today, children, as you know that we have completed the chapter of Gulmohar Reader, chapter 1, Be Prepared. Now you should be prepared to do exercises. So in the first one is complete these sentences in your own words, and that is given in page number 5. So the speaker won a cookery badge in the Boy Scouts simply because you have to write in your own words, children. I am helping you so that you can write. So it is said that the speaker he had won a cookery badge in the Boy Scouts. And why? How did he win that? Because he used to suggest ways to encourage Chimpu, the tuck shop owner, to improve the snacks. So what happened? What he used to do? He used to suggest, he encouraged Chimpu. He used to give him suggestions that how he can make his snacks more better and more tasty. So the people, they thought that he was a good cook and had given him the cookery badge. He got the cookery badge. Now the dish cooked on the first night at the camp was called Bond Bhujia because the speaker came up with his own recipe for the new dish on his own. So we know that on the first night the speaker, Ruskin Bond, he has uh, ordered how to make the Bond Bhujia, how to make a dish, and that dish really tasted very nice. And the children, after eating, they were very happy and they named that Bond Bhujia because all the ingredients, how to cook, everything was said by Bond, and so it was named Bond Bhujia. The instructions were given by him. Now, third one, Mr. Oliver walked into the forest leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnuts. Because, so why did Mr. Oliver he leave a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnut? Because he wanted that the children should learn tracking. So he wanted to teach tracking to Boy Scouts. So he left. He had taken him for the camping expedition to teach something. So here he is teaching them to track. Now speaker lost his cookery badge. So how did the speaker lose his cookery badge? So here is written, you will write there his. So Mr. Oliver punished the Boy Scouts for failing to follow his instructions to track him by taking all of their badges away. So what that day, what happened? Mr. Oliver had told them that you should follow me, you have to track me. Then the children, they had gone to a few distance, and afterwards they were distracted by the pool of water, and there they started playing and they forgot Mr. Scout. Mr. Scout, he became angry and he took his cookery badge. Now Mr. Oliver wanted the speaker to cook an omelette because he was hungry and the boys has finished all the food already. So he told the speaker to cook omelette for him. It was night and he was hungry. He had taken food in the morning only, and so he wanted that the speaker should cook food for him because he was the cook. The bear escaping into the forest was a funny scene. So you have seen in the picture, in the story, that there was a bear who had worn Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. So on seeing that, it was a very funny scene. So it was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. So the scene was funny because the bear it was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. Now exercise B. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. Unfortunately, we were not very good trackers. Who does we refer to and who were they tracking? So by reading these lines, who does we refer to? So what do you think? Who does we refer to? And what did they do instead of tracking the person? So we refers to the Boy Scouts. So in this, we is the Boy Scouts, and whom they were tracking? They were tracking Mr. Oliver, the Scout Master. And then the Boy Scouts came upon a pool and splashed about in water instead of tracking. So what did they do instead of tracking the person? They started playing in the pool. The next one is he had waited for us at the end of the forest for a couple of hours. Who is he? Why had he waited at the end of the forest? So, and the next one is, was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why or why not? So he is Mr. Oliver, the scoutmaster. So in this line, he is Mr. Oliver, who is the scoutmaster. And what did he do over there? He had waited at the end of the forest for the boys. He thought that the children, they will come, they will track him with the help of the broken twigs, pine cones, and chestnut that he had left for them. He had left a trail of these so that they can follow and come near him. The next one, was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why or why not? Then the answer will be no. Mr. Oliver, he was not able to return to the forest on his own because he was lost due to the darkness. And how he came? Because the villagers, they had finally helped him. Back to the camp, the villagers, they had brought him. Then next one is, but we had to break up our camp in the early hours of the next morning. So, what had been planned for the next morning? So, what was the plan for the next morning? So, the entire camp was supposed to have an early breakfast the next morning. So, next morning it was a plan. The Mr. Oliver had told that we will have our breakfast early. So, the plan was to eat, to have early breakfast the next morning. Now, why did they break the camp early? So, the camp was broken early because the bear has entered into the camp and he has damaged. He had created havoc over there, and all the cooking supplies were destroyed by the bear. Once it saw the boys, the bear rushed into Mr. Oliver's tent and then ran out, caught up in his dressing gown. Now, after that, what did the bear do? He took Mr. Oliver's dressing gown and he ran away in the forest. So, learn these question answer very nicely and try to write yourself. Thank you, everyone.